Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not working 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna need to do is update your Facebook, and once you update it, open it. And as you can see, there is no marketplace in my navigation bar. So what we're going to do is go to our profile and click settings and privacy. Right after that, click settings. Next is scroll all the way down and find navigation bar and then click customize the bar. And as you can see, there are different options, and find the marketplace and click pin. And that's it. Go back to your home page and the marketplace will now show in your navigation bar. And that's it. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.